Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. First of all, switch off your phone. Just press power button and click on power off here. Wait for few seconds. Now for hard reset, you have to press power button and volume up button together. Press power button and volume up button together. Press these two buttons together and keep them for a few seconds. See the demo here. And finish those buttons. Now use volume down button to move down. Here you have to select wipe data factory reset option. For confirming, use power button. And here select yes and press power button. Wipe data has been successfully done. And restart your phone. Wait for a few seconds to few minutes. It will take longer time, just you have to wait. Yes, your phone has restarted and you have to set your phone from the scratch. Follow the on-screen instructions. That's all. You have set your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.